What's up guys, it's Z and Abs, it's Abs Project. Welcome back to our channel. So in this episode we got this Nissan Micra K12. We made a video earlier, a couple of days ago, about it not starting. Diagnosed the issue. It was the motherboard, under the fuse box under the passenger side headlight. So what we're doing today is we're going to be installing an engine start. So we found a perfect place for it, and it is where the signal light sits. Just installing that now, and then we'll go over it to show you how we need to wire it up. There you go guys, engine start button has been installed and it's looking flush like it's meant to be there. It's like Nissan already thought of this. This is, like I said earlier, this is the wire that goes straight to the starter motor. So obviously when you turn the signal, when you turn the key signals this cable here, sends a power through the relays back to this red wire, which goes straight to the starter motor. Or is this the main cause? This is the main issue that we're having with it. It's not sending the signal to it, so it's an intermittent problem. At times it does, at times it doesn't. So we fed this wire through, fed it through where the normal loom goes, just over there, into the interior of the passenger side, behind the glove box. So that's the wire there, which is going to be attached to this box over here. It's a blue wire here. So for example, this will be the signal sender. Sends the power to the starter motor wire. Right, so that's your positive feed, that's your negative feed. Now obviously behind here, because we removed the cigarette lighter, we have a positive and negative feed already from the cigarette lighter itself. So we can connect the positive to the positive, negative to the negative, which is these two wires. Then you got your push start button that connects into this box. Like so. And then you got push start activated. So if I give you a quick example of what I mean. Now don't judge me, this is just to test it and to show it to you guys. So the battery is disconnected, by the way. Just show what I mean. So nothing's happening with the key turning. There you go. That's your push start button activated. All installed, ready to go. Also, just to echo on the start button itself, we had one laying about in the garage. We bought this a few years ago, just sitting there. But I think you can pick up cheap ones as well from eBay, Amazon. So just search around if you want something cheap. Or you can go for something like this with a box in it, which obviously controls the power voltage from here and then sends a signal out. Or you can go for the really basic one, I think, is just directly connect it. Yeah, I would recommend the box one because obviously it kind of
eliminates the pure power going directly to the
starter motor, burning the starter motor off or causing a small fire problem or anything like that.
Yeah.
So let's start again. Ignition on, engine start, switch it off. Alright, so without the key, this is not activated. There's no way this is going to start. We've done it via the key, so when the ignition is on, that's the only way it's going to start. Don't forget, the key still is programmed to the car, so if you do attempt to put another key or do anything like if someone's trying to hotwire it, they won't. Not without the key, because it's going to be immobilized. So there you go. Right guys, so we managed to get the engine start burning. See, nice and flush. Let's try it out. Keys in the ignition. Still not starting. Lovely. Switch it off with the key. Press the engine start button. No power. Put the key ignition on. Press the engine start button. Fires up straight away. So let's see what engine start button installation done. Got the box in there for the engine start. Still needs to mount it up. Probably do it later on, mount it up around about here probably. On the side. Leave it away. Tuck the wires in. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. That's the end of the video today. So if you do get an issue with this Micra, you'll have to install an engine start. So stay safe and stay blessed. We'll see you in the next one.